Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinky, and today I'm going to be working on my free 2001 Toyota Echo. I got this car a little over a decade ago, and at the time it had 199,000 miles on it. Today it has 364,000 miles on it. I parked it a few years ago when the starter went out, and I've decided now that it's time to just pull it out of the garage and get some work done. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this car inside and out. The interior is filthy, the exterior is filthy, so I'll get this all cleaned up and then we'll start working on it. Now we're going to move on to the inside of the car, which is absolutely filthy. I know I put this car away in the winter and there was a lot of snow that was on the floor. It appears that the carpet is moldy, so I'm going to have to take the seats out, rip the carpeting out, and replace that. I don't have replacement carpets right now, but it just has to come out. That's gross. The shift lever looks gross too. I don't know what's going on with that, but that's going to be pulled out. I did an upgrade on the stereo. The stereo from a Scion fits in here. You just have to change the mounting bracket and it is plug and play. So I upgraded from a cassette deck to a nice Pioneer, Scion branded Pioneer stereo. I also did an upgrade to the intermittent wipers. That's something that was not available on the Echo. However, this is another plug-and-play unit. Came from the Suzuki, and yeah, it fit right in there because the computer that controls all the intermittent relays is built into the switch. So it was just a matter of unplugging the old wiper stock and plugging in the new one. The steering column was easy to take apart. There's just two screws that hold the steering column together. Alright, so I'm just going to remove this. Does anybody need an owner's manual for a 2009 Hyundai Sonata? Let me know. little wiring out here for the seats. Well, it looks like we got a storm coming in, so that's all the time I've got for today. I've got all the carpeting out, got the car washed. Doesn't matter now that it's going to storm, but I'm getting it cleaned up. Next thing we're going to do, I've got a tire that's down. I got to replace the starter, and also the rear parking brake is locked up. So just got those left to complete, and I will be doing those in upcoming episodes. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time. Yes, another car with another flat tire. So I'm going to take this off, take it up to the convenience store and get it filled. Some people call it a filling station, some people call it a gas station, some people call it a service station. So I guess I really don't know where I'm taking it. But I'm going to get that tire filled and put back on the car.